Good afternoon. I'm Lisa Fadler, your Assistant Dean of Career and Professional Development. I teach professional responsibility and evidence at the law school, and I've been asked to give you some tips on how to handle an ethical dilemma should you face one during your externship. So I'm glad you could join me. Let's go ahead and get started. First, protect yourself from the unauthorized practice of law. This is one of the ethical dilemmas that students are most at risk for. Refrain from practicing law in your externship, in the office, with friends, with family, with anyone. Remember that law students cannot appear in court on behalf of someone else, and they cannot give legal advice. If you have a question as to whether or not an externship assignment is the unauthorized practice of law, I encourage you to seek advice from a faculty member, and I invite you to contact me as well. If you're facing an unauthorized practice of law dilemma, remind your externship supervisor and friends and family that you're in law school, you're not a lawyer yet, and that you cannot practice law. Maintain confidentiality. Remember that lawyers and their staff cannot reveal confidential information relating to the representation of a client. Keep secrets secret. You want to be mindful not to talk about confidential information with your externship supervisor or a client in a public place, such as an elevator, a lobby, restaurants, especially the courthouse cafeteria, where others can overhear you. Do not engage in office gossip about clients and their cases. Be sure to talk with your externship supervisor regarding checking for possible conflicts of interest at the beginning of your externship or as things change. Maintain competence. It's important that you are competent when working in your externship. Obtain the knowledge, learn the skills that you need to do your work. Be prepared, be thorough, work hard as an extern. Remember that although you'll be assisting an attorney and working under the supervision of an attorney, the ultimate consumer of your work will be the client. Demonstrate competence and hard work. Act with diligence and promptness. Turn your work in on time and make sure it's high quality work. When you have a deadline, you may need to stay late to complete that assignment on time and competently. If you're turning in a rough draft, consider turning in that rough draft with the quality of a final draft. Protect your reputation. The reputation that you develop during your externship will likely follow you for a very long time. Guard it, protect it. Your reputation can earn you wonderful success or it can lead to failure. Be honest and truthful with everyone you work with. Be honest with your time. Work the hours that you've committed to working. Don't arrive late or leave early, and do not inflate your time. Accurately report the time that you spend on each project or case. Maintain your integrity at all times and be courteous and respectful and civil with others. You want to be sure that your conduct complies with the rules of professional conduct and with the character and fitness requirements. To wrap up, maintain professional responsibility. Refrain from the unauthorized practice of law. Maintain confidentiality. Avoid conflicts of interest. Be competent and diligent. Protect your reputation. Be honest. Maintain your integrity and be courteous and respectful. I hope that you have a wonderful externship experience. Thank you and best of luck to you.